Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, part two of this. Didn't really need to make one, but I was watching the first part and I realized I left something out that some people might not be aware of, and that's why I decided to make the video. If I hold down the controller button, I'll make a perfect line or perpendicular. If I go Control D and I move that line over a little bit, and then I could Control D and make as many lines as I wanted. But in that video, I had turned on, so when you go to 2-point line right here is parallel lines, and it's going to come up right there, and just uncheck that. And I've got it set on 50. I'm going to go like 0.2 apart. I'm going to hold down the control button and look, it made all my lines for me. Now, if I wanted them further apart, I go like 0.5, get over here, and I've got my lines already done. But to turn this off, you can't just exit out. You've got to go right here and there's a red sign on there. And then it's a pretty useful tool. See, I don't have it on, but I can go over here. Well, I'm going to uncheck off that line, get my parallel line, and turn it on. Double click on it, whoop, and go right there to undo. And you could have as many lines as you wanted. I'm going to do 100 lines. Look at that. Saves a lot of time. And then, of course, rotate them and do like we did in part one. And if you didn't watch part one, you might be a little bit confused, but that's part one. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.